everyone. How to calculate molecular mass of unknown protein? Observe this image. The volume of outer solvent, the solvent surrounding the gel beads, the volume surrounding the gel beads is indicated as VO, the void volume. The volume of solvent inside the gel, that is internal pore volume, VI. The total liquid volume is represented as Vt, the volume surrounding the gel beads and the volume of solvent inside the gel beads. Vt is equal to Vo plus Vi. Observe this bead. A large molecule will have access to all of Vo and will therefore elute in the minimum possible volume. A small molecule will have access to all of VO and VI and therefore it has to pass through the total liquid volume of the column. Molecules of intermediate size have access to all of VO and have access to some of the VI. Here it elute at a volume between VO and VT. The distribution of an analyte in a GPC column is determined by the total volume of the solvent both inside and outside the beads that is available to it. It is represented as the distribution coefficient Kd, which is the function of its molecular size. If the analyte, that is a polymer sample, is large and completely excluded from the solvent within the beads, here Kd is equal to 0. Whereas, if the solute molecule is small enough to penetrate the gel pores and diffuses into the inner solvent, here Kd is equal to 1. Analyte of intermediate size, Kd value vary between 0 and 1. The volume of inner solvent Vi can be calculated if the dry weight of gel employed and the water regain value of that particular gel are known. Thus, Vi is equal to AWR. The elution volume of a given solute, Ve, is the volume of solvent required to elute the solute from the column. Ve is dependent upon three variables, Vo, Vi, and Kd. A solute molecule that is partially restricted from the pores will emerge with elution volume Ve between two extremes, Vo and Vt. The distribution coefficient Kd for such a molecule represents the fraction of Vi available to it for diffusion. Hence, here Ve is equal to Vo plus KdVi or Ve is equal to Vo plus Kd Vt minus Vo. The molecules which totally exclude, here Kd is equal to 0 and Ve is equal to Vo. The totally included molecule, that means small molecules, here Kd is equal to 1 and Ve is equal to Vt. Determination of molecular mass. First, calibrate the column with non-standard and plot the relative elution volume against logarithm of molecular weight. Observe this graph. The graph shows the relative elution volume versus the logarithm of molecular mass for a variety of proteins on a column. There is a linear relationship between the relative elution volume of a substance and the logarithm of its molecular mass over a considerable molecular mass range. If a plot, observe this diagram, is made for particular gel filtration column using macromolecules of non-molecular masses, the molecular mass of an unknown substance can be estimated from its position on the plot. Now we can do a problem. Observe this graph. If a protein has an elution volume of 95 ml, what will be its molecular weight? From the graph, we can understand one side, x-axis is what? X-axis, the elution volume. Y-axis, the logarithm of molecular weight. From the plot, it is clear that the protein which has an elution volume of 95 ml will have a log molecular weight of 4.3. Here, see 4.3. And calculate the antilog of 4.3. That is the molecular weight. What is the antilog of 4.3? That is 19,900. Antilog of 4.3 is 19,900. The molecular weight of that protein will be 19,900 Dalton. We can do one more problem. Here, data of molecular weight and elution volume are given. And the substance including myoglobin, malate dehydrogenase, serum albumin, aldolase, apofertin. Here we have to calculate the molecular weight of serum albumin. For serum albumin, elution volume is provided, that is 150. We have to find out the molecular weight of serum albumin. What we have to do? First, plot the graph. X-axis elution volume, y-axis log value of molecular weight. First, we have to convert the molecular weight into log value. This is the log value. See, this is the log value. Plot the graph. This is the graph. From the plot, it is clear that a protein which has an elution volume of 150, which is our protein serum albumin, which has elution volume 150 ml. It have a log molecular weight of, check here, 4.9. The antilog of 4.9 is 79,400. The molecular weight of that protein will be 79,400.